Not to sell, not to buy. They go there just to look around, to find a boy, to find a girl. The market is where people meet, eyes everywhere, like an eagle. No words first, no touching hands, just one look, and the heart understands. Market is the meeting place where young hearts start the race. No money, no food in hand, just feelings growing fast. With school uniforms, young and free, simple life, easy dreams. Nothing bad, nothing wrong, but feelings grow too strong. A smile, a name, a phone number shared. Do you have Facebook? Is how it starts there. WhatsApp rings day and night as if it's important. Books are closed, focus is lost. Market is the meeting place where young hearts start the race. Phones keep pulling them away. Schoolwork slowly fades. Fathers work hard to pay the school fees. Mothers sell food just to help them, but money goes to data and calls, not to books, not to school at all. Teacher warns, think of your way, but their minds are far away. Love feels sweet, but time is wrong. One wrong step can break the future journey. Love is not bad, love can wait. School time should come first, not late. If you lose your future today, love will leave, but pain will stay.
Is the meeting place.
But school must come first always. Young people, think and choose right. Don't waste your parents' sacrifice. Don't waste your parents' sacrifice. Love can wait, dreams cannot. Education is priority, that's where your life is.